Hi there! Did you know that there are over 150 different diets out there today? Yes, you heard that right. If you try to explore a new one every week, it would take you nearly 3 years to get through them all. Welcome to the Wellness Lifestyle channel, where our classes are an experience like no other because they are live. Hi, I'm Cecilia, your health coach and passionate food enthusiast. We've all heard the saying, families that eat together stay together. Well, let's elevate that concept by cooking together, having a blast, and being healthy as one big family. Picture yourself as part of our vibrant wellness community, coming together for virtual family meals where we share not just food but also knowledge and laughter. I've been fortunate enough to learn from incredible chefs, and that's why you'll often see me featuring tried and true recipes from various culinary masters who deserve all the credit for their delicious and health-conscious creations. Do you have a recipe that you've been wanting to try but feeling unsure about? Feel free to send them my way. It might even get featured on the channel and become a delightful addition to our culinary library. Here, our focus is primarily on nutrition, sprinkled with insights on mind, body, and spirit. While I'm not a medical professional, I encourage you to consult with a healthcare provider, especially one who values understanding the root cause of your symptoms rather than just offering quick fixes. If your doctor recommends embracing a healthier lifestyle to address underlying issues, reach out to me for a complimentary initial consultation to see if my health coaching program aligns with your needs. Let's unite together on this exciting journey towards better health and wellness. Remember, together we can achieve incredible things. So let's hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in our next session. Stay healthy, stay inspired, and keep spreading positivity wherever you go. Be well, and until next time, happy cooking and happy living.